Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about the recently released World Air Quality Report 2020. And in this session we will discuss a brief about World Air Quality Report, and we'll see the highlights of report, and then we'll discuss the India specific data in the report. And there is another report called State of Global Air Report 2020, which is closely related with this World Air Quality Report. So we'll discuss the findings of that report also. So this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. So friends, World Air Quality Report is released by Swiss air quality technology company IQAir. And IQAir is an air quality technology company since 1963, seeks to empower individuals, organizations and communities to breathe cleaner air through information, collaboration and technology solutions. And the 2020 report is based on PM 2.5 data from 106 countries that have been measured by ground-based monitoring stations. So that is a brief about World Air Quality Report. Now we'll discuss the highlights of the report. The report states that of the most 14 polluted cities, 13 were in India. When ranked by cities, Hotan in China was the most polluted, followed by Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh. And Bangladesh and Pakistan were the countries in 2020 with worse average PM 2.5 levels than India, says the report. And China ranked 11th in the latest report, a deterioration from 14th in the previous edition of the report. And the 2020 report, 106 countries were evaluated. And now we'll discuss the India specific data. According to the report, Delhi is the world's most polluted capital city. Although Delhi's air quality improved by nearly 15% from 2019 to 2020, the city still ranked as the 10th most polluted city in the world and the most polluted capital city. And we have seen that there is an improvement by nearly 15% from 2019 to 2020 in the Delhi's air quality. The major reason for that is the imposition of national level lockdown in the wake of COVID-19. And in the wake of COVID-19, we imposed national level lockdown, and this has increased the air quality of major polluted cities. And according to the report, 22 of world's 30 most polluted cities, including Delhi, are in India. And Ghaziabad is the second most polluted city in the world. And 8 Indian cities in the top 10 list are Bulandshahr, Bisrak, Jalalpur, Noida, Greater Noida, Kanpur, Lucknow. These all cities are in UP, and Bhiwadi in Rajasthan, and Delhi. That are the 8 Indian cities in the top 10 list. And major sources of India's air pollution include transportation, biomass burning for cooking, electricity generation, industry, construction, waste burning, and episodic agricultural burning, like stubble burning and all. So these are the major findings of World Air Quality Report 2020. Now there is another report called State of Global Air Report 2020, which is also a report based evaluating the air quality globally. We'll see few data from that report also. It is published by Boston-based Health Effects Institute, HEI, and two particular points which you should learn from this report is: one is ambient fine particle air pollution. It refers to PM 2.5, that is particles measuring less than 2.5 micrometers in aerodynamic diameter and less than a 30th of diameter of human hair. And second one is socio-demographic index, SDI. A country's SDI is calculated based on average income per person, educational attainment and total fertility rate, and it varies from 0 to 1. So these two concepts are discussed in this State of Global Air Report 2020. Now we'll discuss the key highlights. What are the key highlights of State of Global Air Report 2020? The report states that the highest annual average exposures were seen in Asia, Africa, and Middle East. More than 1,16,000 infants in India died within a month of birth in 2019 due to air pollution. And globally, 4,76,000 infants died in their first month of life in 2019 from health effects associated with air pollution exposure. And household air pollution accounted for 64% of all neonatal deaths attributable to air pollution. Infant deaths in India were followed by those in Nigeria, which records 67,900 deaths. Pakistan accounted 56,500 deaths, and Ethiopia accounted 22,900 deaths. It is thought that air pollution may affect a pregnant woman, her developing fetus, or both through pathways similar to those of tobacco smoking. And air pollution is a well-known risk factor for low birth weight and preterm birth. It added that pollutants may initiate systemic inflammation or oxidative stress, which affects the health of both the pregnant woman and her baby. And meanwhile, it had the highest annual average PM 2.5 exposure in the world in 2019. And in fact, India, along with some other countries such as Pakistan and Bangladesh, has continued to experience an increase in PM 2.5 exposures since 2010. And it is also among the top 10 countries with highest ozone exposure in 2019. And Qatar recorded the highest ozone exposure, followed by Nepal and India. So that are the major findings of State of Global Air report with regard to India. And as I always says, these data you may see it as unimportant, but this may help in your mains answer writing. You can quote this data in mains answer writing, and it will add weightage to your answer. So please study about this. Please analyze these trends. So that's all for today, guys. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.